Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys are joining me in a room you've probably never seen before. This is actually my parents' bedroom, and today we are giving it a makeover. So last week we did a major makeover on my bedroom here and turned it into a guest room, and my parents loved it. My mom was so shocked, and she loved it so much that she was like, do you think you could do the same thing on my room? Do you think you could give it a makeover? So all week long we've been shopping together, picking out things that she likes, and really working on a plan for this room. So the end result will definitely be a surprise to them, but my mom does know what items are going into the room. She kind of knows the overall plan, but I still think she's going to be completely shocked when she sees the difference. This room has never had a makeover. It's never been decorated. It's never been that master suite that really speaks to them and that they enjoy and that they're proud of. So I'm really excited to give them a space that they love, because they've spent so much time and energy on the rest of the house and they've never really put much energy into this room, and this is their room, so I really want them to love it. Today we're doing kind of like a mini makeover because we're not going to be painting the walls. We're sticking with this neutral color because it works. We're keeping their furniture, we're getting rid of some other furniture, but we're really working with what we have, but also adding to it with new decor and new placement, because we can really work out a better functional space in here. So let me show you guys around and I'll show you guys what we're keeping, what we're ditching, what we're switching out, and what the plan is. So this is their master bedroom. It's actually a very large, enjoyable, bright space. So I think this is going to be an easy makeover because we're working with some good bones here. There's lots of room to move things around and create better spaces. They have this really nice corner of bay windows that I want to highlight. They also have this blue chair, and this blue chair has really inspired this entire design. We are really working with this color because this is my mother's grandmother's chair. So it's my great grandmother's chair. It's very old, but it's very beautiful and such a bold color, and we think we can turn it into a major highlight piece. And as you can see, there are what feels like a million dressers in here. We're gonna kind of swap some out, get rid of some, reorganize the clothes a bit, and it will feel a lot bigger. And with the matching dresser and cabinet that we are keeping, I'm gonna be switching up the placement in here a bit. I feel like the pieces work, they're just kind of on the wrong wall in the wrong area. So we're gonna switch up the layout a bit, and that's gonna make a huge difference. So as you guys can see, the walls are pretty bare. There's nothing really kind of pulling together this space, giving it a look or a theme or a style. So we went shopping and we picked out a whole bunch of things, remembering that this chair is our inspiration. Picked up all of these amazing pieces from Winners, HomeSense, IKEA, and as you can tell, the color just really highlights that blue chair. So we're bringing it in a bunch of different ways and really working with it. Also bringing in some whites and creams that will go well with the walls and the bedding. And like I mentioned, my mom really liked the items that I picked for my room. So we did pick somewhat similar things for this room since she really liked it, like a round mirror, we have candle holders, we have artwork, and we have a really cool organic display, which was crazy because it was right beside the one that I picked for my room. So they kind of go together well. It's really nice to have kind of a matching look to all of these bedrooms in the house. So I think it really works just in a different color tone. So to start this makeover, we need to get rid of a few things. So we need to start clearing out this dresser and that one there so we can make room for our changes. So I called my mom in to help me move all the furniture because this furniture is very big and heavy and I need some help with that, but she'll be kicked out when we have to start decorating so it can all be a surprise to her. This furniture is really heavy to move, so this is gonna take a while to get everything into its place, but this is what you'd see as soon as you come in. That dresser used to be over here, so that's what we just pushed onto that smaller wall. You'd see the side of that cabinet and it just created a wall as soon as you came in. You couldn't see the door to the bathroom. You couldn't really see anything else, so it just made the room feel small as soon as you came in. So pushing that over there really helps. Then we're going to be moving this long dresser and putting it right here. So then we'll have a lower profile. We're actually doing the same thing we did to my room, and we're switching out this mirror because it's dating it. The bottom of this is totally fine, so just adding a new mirror here, changing that up is definitely going to help. So that will now be across from the bed. The width of that dresser kind of lines up with the width of the bed, so it will create this whole kind of centered matching look. And then this dresser that used to be in my room is then going to go on this wall, and that will be kind of like my dad's side. So this is all going to come together. That just matches so much better in this room than it did in mine, so this is all working.
Wow, that's incredible.
Such a difference.
I know I'm gonna be blown away.
I can't believe this. So look at the
just
difference.
opens up everything.
When you walk in, it feels so, look, I'm standing right here.
This is incredible.
Like you can see everything now. All right, we're almost there with the furniture. We have to move this humongous bed now, and the nightstands are actually attached to the bed, so this is gonna be a little difficult.
You gotta be kidding. I don't think so.
Okay, we have to get
I think it's easier to tip it than trying to heave it off of here.
Oh, no!
Like it's already gone.
Okay, I have an idea. I can tip it towards you, and then we can slide it off, and then
What? I think what we have to do is get over that direction. Not over here. This direction. There.
oh, okay, yeah.
We're going that way with the bed? Are you serious?
It's fine, I just need to pull it out. Alright, that just took forever to move this bed like a foot over. So now it is centered with the light and then the dresser in front of it. It all lines up. It just looks so much better and more open and cleaner in here, except for the mess that we're kind of leaving behind moving all this stuff. But now that all the furniture is exactly where I want it to be, which was, in my opinion, the hard part, moving this stuff around, now we get to do the fun part, which is decorating, putting everything on the walls, making the bed, doing all the pretty things to set up the room so it looks presentable, clean, and pretty. So let's go ahead and start decorating. So the first thing we're gonna do is put curtains up at these windows. So we already have a curtain here, but we're getting rid of this one because it doesn't match the other ones. It's not really my favorite style curtain. I'm gonna be installing these black curtain rods on all 3 windows. These are from IKEA. I think I remember them being less than $5. And then these are the curtains I'm using. They're from IKEA. They're called Lenda. They're long and kind of like a white thick linen, so there's no sheen to them like there is on these ones. We're gonna do a single panel on these smaller windows, and then we're gonna do a double panel on the larger windows. So this whole corner is gonna look so amazing. Bedding made all the difference. This totally brightened up this bed. The white really works well with the curtains across the room. The accent colors on the bed match perfectly with the chair, so it's all really coming together. Now that the bed is all made, I'm gonna be focusing on decorating all around the bed. The first thing I'm gonna be doing is assembling these Ranarp IKEA table lamps, and I got 2 of these so we have matching lamps on either side of the bed. That's really going to give a nice symmetrical look, really highlight the bed even more, and they're really going to stand out because they're black with accents of gold. They did request more of a focused task lamp instead of your traditional lamp with a lampshade. They like to read at night, so they want that strong light pointed at their books. But now we're going to be decorating the space on top of the bed here, and we're doing something super similar to what we did in my bedroom because my mom loved it so much. We found something super similar in the blue color that we're looking for. It was a perfect find. It brings in that gold and the blue and the black, so it's literally everything that we need. So I'm gonna be installing this piece above the bed here, so that's really gonna tie everything together so nicely. It really gives that whole organic look. So now onto this side of the room. This is actually my dad's side of the bed, my dad's side of the room. So I wanna make it functional for him and make it a little more, you know, manly on this side, less flowery. So I thought we'd mix in a few things that he needs. So he needs storage for this side of the room. So I'm gonna be incorporating little baskets on the wall, places that he can like put his extra magazines and books and papers. Also, he's Scottish. A lot of you guys know and you guys have heard his accent. He's from Scotland, and I thought we'd bring in a little bit of his heritage. So I picked up this really cool print from Winners, and it was $22. So $22 for a large print like this, amazing steal. So I had to get it. It's this cute Highland cow photo, and honestly, this just has Scotland written all over it, so I had to. And the colors match perfectly. And it kind of goes with this whole kind of organic look. We have the leaf over the bed, we have flowers, we have eucalyptus around. So I thought the cow worked out perfectly for this whole kind of organic vibe. So I'm gonna be hanging that up over here. now onto this side of the room. This was the dresser that used to have that big mirror attached to it. So that is my biggest tip. If you have one of these dressers that has the big mirror attached to it and it's dated or it's kind of a weird shape and you want to simplify, detach the mirror from it and then get yourself just a really simple mirror. So I found this one at Winners. It's just a round mirror. I really like the way it looked in my bedroom, so I'm doing the same over here. It also works really well with the roundness of the bed, so we're really like working with the shapes here, working with all the colors, and I think it's gonna look so much better and so much bigger and brighter. So I'm gonna be centering it over top of this dresser and then decorating the dresser so that it matches the whole room. Alright guys, I think this is it. I am completely done decorating, hanging everything. Everything is clean, put away, and it's looking so great. So I'm really excited to show my mom the end result. She's gonna love it. I cannot believe, like looking around here, that that little hidden chair that used to be not noticeable became the highlight piece here. We really worked it in with all the decor, like, ooh, it looks so nice. I'm so happy for them because their room has never looked this good. She's gonna freak out.
It's life-changing. My room is gonna change. It hasn't changed in 30 years.
Oh,
in 25 years.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Do you remember what it used to look like?
Yes, it was awful. I just can't believe I'm gonna have a room that's put together.
Hopefully you like it.
I know I'm going to like it. I mean, it was a lot of work moving the furniture and everything.
Yeah, we're really tired now.
It's going to be totally worth it because all I've done is painted in there before and there's nothing else. Yeah. It's just always the last place I would ever think about doing anything. So this is our room.
That's why
now.
I think she deserves it. Mm-hmm. Okay, are you ready?
No, I'm not.
Come on in.
No, I just can't. I'm just so nervous about it.
Don't be nervous. Come on.
Like, it's going to be so nice.
Okay, well, don't get too high of hopes.
Ready?
I love it. Oh my goodness. He's gonna really like this.
Do you think he's gonna like the cow?
I think he's gonna really like this. I love what you did.
Oh, I'm so glad.
I love it. I think this is perfect. Oh my goodness, you placed everything just, and look at, well, these lights are nice.
Yeah.
They're really nice. Okay, let's see it without this light. Oh my goodness. Isn't that lovely?
Yeah, it's so calm.
Oh my goodness, and this was a wedding present. This is lovely. This turned out nice, didn't it?
Yeah. Isn't it just so much bigger?
The candles in here too. I love it. I love the placement.
You do?
I wouldn't have figured this out. I wasn't sure how you were going to do this.
And you like the new bedding? Look at the pillows together.
I love it. Oh my goodness, Kristen.
All thanks to that chair right there.
Oh my goodness. It is lovely bedding. I have a bedroom I can show people now.
I know. So come look what I did over here with Dad's side. So you know how he has lots of papers and things? I gave him baskets, and then look, his little like paper and book
Oh
holder.
my goodness, that's great.
And it's hidden so you don't see it from the front door.
Yeah, no, that's great. I can't believe this is my room. And I love this piece.
Isn't it so cute? It ties it together, and
stunning.
it really reminds me of you, because that's such a you thing to get. When I got mine, I thought this is something my mom would get.
Oh, wow. These are really nice.
Yeah.
These hang beautifully. Here I am.
Look at you! You're so cute! Aw, I'm glad you like it.
This is a very nice, peaceful room. I can't believe, wait till my mother sees this.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna freak out too.
Not many
Your room
people
has
see
never
my
looked like
room.
this. The blue and the like orange tone of the wood really work together.
And those pictures actually have some orange in it.
Yeah, like honestly, everything that's in here really worked together well.
And Kristen picked this all out herself. She walked around and she knew exactly. And I was getting the hang of it, right? Once
No,
I got
you
the color
totally
thing
helped.
figured out.
Yeah.
I love it.
Aw.
It's even better than I thought.
Aw, I'm
and
so
look,
glad.
You got the horse over there. Your dad likes that.
Yeah, his horse on your side, and then you have the ladies on yours.
Oh my goodness.
So I kind of tried to make this a little more masculine, and yours has like flowers on the wall and like the girls and the chairs, whatever.
Yes.
So his is more like, you know, bins and like,
I like that you can
Cow.
see the black here.
and everything just like lines up now. You know, all the furniture's in line. Get in! You're so cute.
Oh my goodness.
So nice.
This is my room.
All right, guys, time to take a rest in our accent chair. I am so exhausted from today, decorating all day, moving all the furniture all day. This was a one-day makeover, so I'm so happy with the way it turned out. My mom is so excited, and she just like started crying as soon as the camera turned off. She's so happy with it. She's never had a bedroom here that's been decorated and beautiful and calm and just like a nice place to be in. So I'm just so happy after 25 years I could give that to her. I'm so excited for my dad to see it as well. I'm sorry I couldn't get his reaction on this video, but I'm excited for him to see his little Highland cow up there. I made a little man corner for him and all of his things, so I hope he knows that I put thought into his side. I didn't want to make this room too girly. I'm just still in awe that like we never used to think about this chair, guys. It used to be covered in like socks that weren't matching, you know, like old laundry, like you would just never be able to even see this chair, so we never put thought into it. And it's just amazing that after you clear off the chair, you see how beautiful it is. We know we're going to keep this chair forever since it's my great-grandmother's. Incorporating into the room and making it really thrive and make sense in here and make it look intentional is amazing, and I'm so happy that we could do that and really highlight this piece because this is a family piece now. So it just makes me so happy. This whole room makes me happier than my own bedroom that I did because, you know, that was my style, that's what I wanted. But doing a room for my family, doing a room for my parents, and just for somebody else that's not me is so exciting. So yeah, changing your environment, your room, any room of your house makes such a big impact on your life. Like sometimes you just think, oh, it's just decorating, but it truly makes you feel different. The space feels different. It allows you to do more. It's just like a freeing thing, having a brand new, redecorated, organized, and clean space. It really is important, and it's such a big part of my life, so I'm so happy to share that with others and give everybody else that feeling that I look for in a space. Anyways, enough talking. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this space. I hope you guys like seeing the whole, you know, before and after us going through everything, moving furniture. It was a lot of work, but I hope you guys enjoy seeing the whole process of all that. Let me know down below if you guys like these type of videos and you want to see more room makeover videos. And if you do and you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. We just hit 200,000 and it's been so exciting for me. I never thought I would see that day of 200,000, and I'm so excited and happy to be here with you guys. And you guys are seriously the nicest, sweetest people ever and always have the best comments. I look forward to seeing your comments. I have my notifications turned on so I know every single time you guys comment because I love hearing from you guys. So yeah, I'm so happy you guys are here. Welcome to my channel if you guys are new, and I hope you guys stay. Make sure you guys turn my notifications on so you guys never miss a video. I can't wait for the future of my channel, the future of my videos, and the future of our room makeovers because we're on a roll here. I can't wait for the next one, so I hope you guys are excited too. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!